Hello Tarot friends, welcome to Anastasia Tarot and Vedic Astrology. I'm Anastasia. Up today is a review of Il Meneghello Taroccho Piemontese. This is a majors only deck. I believe Il Meneghello previously released a full 78 card Piemontese deck, but it's now out of print. So the one I was able to buy was this 22 card Arcani Majggiori. So this is a 22 card deck, Triumphi only. And as a lot of the old school spreads used majors only, I felt this would be a wonderful way to have a vintage style deck to do historic spreads with. I'll be posting some of those old school spreads on this playlist as soon as I make the videos. So this is a beautiful handmade deck on matte paper, which Il Meneghello is famous for. They make these lovely handmade artisanal decks. Not a whole lot of information is included. You pretty much just get the box and the certificate of authenticity here, but it says it's dated around the end of the 19th century, so that would be the latter half of the 1800s. As always, this is an honest review of a deck I bought with my own money and actually use for readings. So let's get into it. And that's all she wrote. So please do check back with the channel if you're interested in historic spreads, especially historic majors only spreads that I will be demonstrating with this deck. Thank you so much for watching.